Good evening, Shreyansh.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you, beta?
I'm fine, but I have a bit cold, ma'am.
Good, beta.
Yeah.
How's the weather?
Ma'am, it's like normal and moderate.
You are asking the weather?
No, I'm telling I have a bit cold, ma'am.
You have cold? Okay, it's a changing season, no? The weather is changing now. Um, okay. Which place are you from, beta?
Hyderabad, ma'am.
You're from Hyderabad. Okay, so how's the weather there?
No, it's moderate, ma'am. It's a bit sunny today, ma'am.
Okay, otherwise, is it cold or warm?
Like, ma'am, in normal days it is cold, but today it is a bit sunny.
Okay, today it's warm. And how are the evenings and mornings?
Ma'am,
How are the evenings and mornings?
our mornings are pretty like morning around 7 ma'am, it's cold. We have to wear jackets, and by the time of evening, it's moderate, ma'am.
Okay. So it's all the more it's pleasant now.
Yes, ma'am. It's cold.
Mm-hmm. So let's start with data handling, right? Okay. Even I have got cough and cold. Okay. So yesterday we did some questions on how to read the pictograph, right? So you didn't do any question where you have to make the pictograph. You did those type of questions to analyze the pictograph and answer some questions. Okay. So let's do that. How to make a pictograph now. Okay, now Shreyansh, we had done till question number 6, right?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now,
sir.
this chapter we have just last question left, that is this 7th question. Okay, this is also you have to analyze the pictograph and you have to answer these questions. Now, making a pictograph for this, there are some extra questions which I had given. Yes, so we'll do these questions also. After that, we'll do bar graphs also. Bar graphs is not there in this chapter, no? So we'll do on our own. Last time also, I think we had done on our own, no?
Yes,
So, please read the question number 7.
yes, sir. In a village, 6 fruit merchants sold the following number of fruit baskets in a particular season. Name of fruit merchant, number of fruit baskets. One basket is equal to 100 fruit baskets. Ready? Okay.
Please read the question.
Okay. Ma'am, A bitter or
Which merchant sold the maximum number of baskets?
ma'am, Martin,
Martin. How many he sold?
ma'am, 950.
950. So we must write here 950. This is Martin, isn't it? Okay, next question. Read the question.
How many fruit baskets were sold by Anwar?
So Anwar sold how many baskets?
700.
These are 700. Okay. Okay. The merchants who have sold 600 or more number of baskets are planning to buy a go down for the next season. Can you name them? Who
Ma'am,
sold,
more than 700.
uh, who sold 600 or more than 600?
Oh, more than
Uh,
600.
it's even 600.
Okay. So, ma'am, yes, ma'am. Anwar, Martin, and Ranjit Singh.
Anwar, Martin, Ranjit, this is 550. Okay, these are all less. So Anwar, Martin, and Ranjit, right?
Yes, ma'am.
They
Ma'am,
all.
Neha joined, ma'am.
Okay, Neha joined. Good beta. Good evening, Neha.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay. So let's come to making of some pictographs, right? Now see here, the first question is total number of animals in 5 villages are given, right? A, B, C, D are the names of the villages and the animals are given. Prepare a pictograph using a symbol or scale appropriate of your choice. You have to make your own symbol, okay? Right? Will you make a pictograph? Take a symbol of your choice and then you'll be answering some questions. Yes, Neha, in this you have to prepare a pictograph. Okay? So, in the pictograph, what will be your first column? Your first column will be
Some villages name.
villages. So, you will make villages column first, and the next column will be number of animals. And on the top here, you will write one symbol. Whatever symbol you are using is equal to how many animals. That will be your scale, okay, for the pictograph. Please start doing. You'll be showing me your notebooks also after this. Now, how do you choose your scale? See, the number of animals are all multiples of 10, is it?
Yes, sir.
They are all multi. So, in that case, you first take the HCF of all those numbers. Yes, they are all multiples of 10. Okay, Shreyansh, tell me what scale have you taken?
Some 10. One, sir.
Okay, one symbol is 10 animals. Okay, Neha, you tell me how many symbols represent animals of village E?
Six.
6. Okay, so you have also taken 10. Okay, which village has the maximum number of animals, Shreyansh?
One village zero.
B. Good. Neha, which village has more animals, village A or C?
Mom, C.
Village C. Good. Okay, show me your notebooks, then we'll move to the next question.
What I'm doing last. Mom, can you show me? Mom, can you show the number of animals?
Number of animals here, you can see. Yes, good Neha. Good beta. Yes, Priyansh. Yes, good. That's also correct. Good. Nice. Okay, now you make in this one. Prepare a pictograph. Question number 2. So we'll do only these two and then we'll move to bar graphs after this. Okay. Now in this question, you have to prepare a pictograph. The days are given to you and the number of watches manufactured are given. Now in this you can see there are some entries which are uh, half, like 650 is there, 550 is there. Okay. So you have to choose a scale keeping these type of numbers in mind. Okay. As I was saying that you can see that all the entries here 800, 700, 650, 600, 550, 500. So most of them are all multiples of 100 here, right? But there are two which have 50 at the end. So choose your scale accordingly. Okay. Or you'll make a half figure somewhere. So you do it. Okay, Neha, you tell me what scale you have chosen.
One picture is equal to 100 watches.
Okay, one picture is equal to 100 watches. Okay, make the figure. In this, you just have to make a pictogram. There are no questions here. So just keep in mind whenever you are doing 650. So after 600, you have to take one half picture. So children, practically, where do you get to see pictographs? Where do you get to see?
And newspaper magazine.
In newspapers, you get to see in your magazines, no?
Yes,
And in your, maybe some of the school report cards also give.
yes, sir.
Uh-huh.
Mama, done.
Okay, beta. Yes, good. Good, beta. Good, Shreyansh. Good. So let's see. Let's practice some bar graph also. Okay. So first you will see how to read a bar graph. Now here's the question. I'm just writing a question here. Okay. This is the profit of a company. Okay. The profit in thousands. Okay. Profit of a company from 1975 to 1980. These are the number of years. For 5 years, these are 6 years. Okay. For 6 years, they have shown how much profit the company has earned. Okay. How much profit they have made in these 6 years. Okay. Now I'm showing you this on a bar graph. Now suppose this is one bar. Just I'll explain you with one bar graph, then I'll tell you to make another one. This is 1975. Then again, see here what it is. I'm leaving equal spaces, right? So first bar I have left blank. Same equal space is occupied. Same equal place is empty here. Then the next bar graph is 1976. Okay, so this is next is 1976. Then again, another bar is left blank, and the next bar is 1977. So again, next one is 1978. Then from here to here, 1979. Again, one is blank, another one is 1980. Right? So this part is this. So you can see between each dot there is equal distance. Okay, I have just roughly made here, but I'm saying it that there is equal distance. This is x-axis, and on your y-axis you have how much profit it has made. So in thousands it is showing from 0 to 5,000 rupees. Then you have 10,000 rupees. Then you have 15,000 rupees. Then you have 20,000, then you have 25. Okay, so this is now 1975, it is still 15,000. This is the profit in 1,000 rupees. And these are the number of, these are the years. And in 1976, it is showing that the profit is 18. Now, there will be 18. See, you have numbers here from 15 to 20, right? So, 15 to 20, 15 to 20. So 18 will be somewhere close to 50. So you will see here the dots in your scale on your bar graph. On your graph paper, you have small lines there. Yes. So in between, you have something 15.5, then 15.6, 15.7, 15. No, this is from 15 to 18 only. So you have to take two small two lines as one unit, as one. Okay, this is one, this is two, this is three, this is four, this is five. So 3 points more than 15 will be 18. Are you understanding? Are you understanding? This is
Yes.
to be done on your graph paper, right? So in 1976, it will be 18. So 18 will be somewhere closer to 20. In 1977, it is 20. So 20 is here. That means we take the graph range to here, right? Like this. This is 20. 1978, it is again 15. Okay, so let's take this. I'm just making a dotted line so that to be in line. Then next is 13. Now 13 will be where? In between somewhere 10 and 15. So slightly less than 15. But on your bar graph, you will get exact points. Then 17 will be again closer to 20. Okay, so it's slightly less than 18. Okay, children. So like this, you make a bar graph on your graph pages. Okay, now suppose the question which is asked here, what is the scale of this graph? Now, what is the scale of this graph? The scale is always taken on the y-axis. Now, on y-axis, I have taken 1 unit as 5,000. So, the scale is 1 unit on y-axis is equal to 5,000 rupees. Okay, like this also you can say rupees 5,000. Right? And on your x-axis is years. Okay. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you understanding? It's
Yes.
asked in the question. What is the scale of this graph? Next question asked is in which year the company earned maximum profit? So in which year the company earned maximum profit?
In 1977.
1977. And how much it earned?
20.
Rupees 20,000, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next question that is asked in which year the company earned minimum profit and by how much? So minimum profit is how much?
Ma'am, 30.
13. Okay. So minimum profit is 13,000. Okay. And this was in the year, in which year it is asking me. So in the year 1979. Right? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Should I give you one graph to make? Yes, you'll do it on your graph paper. Should I give you? Okay. If you have a graph paper, please take it out. I'm writing the question. So note down the table. Yes, beta, start doing. The table shows, you can write the question also. This shows the total number of student, student of a school in 5 years. Okay, total students in the school in 5 years. So the data is given like this. In 2013, the number of students, please write down the question first and then start making the graph. In 2013, the students were 275. In 2014, the students were 300. In 2015, it was 350. In 2016, it was 450. In 2017, it was 575. Okay. So choose a scale of your choice. Okay. So how do you select the scale? You will see how many are the number of students. So what maximum can you take? Okay. See, the numbers are 275 also, it's 300 also, it's 350 also. Here also you have 75. Okay. So what scale will you take?
50.
50. Okay. So you mean that one unit will be 50 students.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. There is no restriction on choosing the scale. Okay. Your scale can be anything. Only thing is that when you have a larger space to make a graph, you can choose a bigger scale. But when you have a small little space to do, if you want to finish off with your graph within half a page, then you choose a lesser scale. Okay? But 50 is appropriate, what you said, no?
Uh-huh. Now, you know.
Yes, please do it in your graph notebooks, graph paper and show me. Neha, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am, in a notebook.
You are doing in a notebook. Okay. Otherwise, do you have bar graphs in your textbook?
Ma'am, we don't have it in exam.
You don't have.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, Shreyansh, do you have bar graphs in your book? Chapter?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Here also. So you are following the same chapter, no, which is given here.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay. It was not here. Okay. So this is something additional only we are doing. But never mind, it will help you in your next class. Okay, which chapter shall we take after this? Now your next class will be on Tuesday. Anything that's coming up in your school, any test, anything for revision? So we should start that chapter. Yes,
menstruation is just or
mensuration. Yes, Neha,
fractions.
fractions. And Shreyansh is saying mensuration,
There might be fractions. Okay.
fraction.
Yes.
Mensuration we just revised few days back, area and perimeter.
Oh, yeah, I know that. Okay.
We revised, no, just few days back only we did.
Yes, sir. Fractions.
We'll take up fractions now. And sometime later, once we finish everything, then again we can take mensuration sometime later.
Okay. Well, did we do in decimals and fractions? Did fractions?
Ah, decimals and fractions also we did just now.
Yes, ma'am.
That was, we did the, mainly we did the statement sums, no, from that exemplar book.
That's right. Yes, ma'am.
So we'll take up the textbook part also. Okay, for fractions.
Okay.
I think we did that. Improper, equivalent, we did just.
Ma'am, but not recent.
Now recently only, before this chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want to do it again?
No, ma'am, some other chapter.
Okay, then which chapter should we take? Tell me
Ratio
again the chapter. Ratio proportion?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we'll take up ratio proportion. We had revised that chapter in just a quick revision was given, no, when Nishika had some exam. Okay, after this we'll take up ratio and proportions. Okay, detailed revision. I think for area and perimeter also we did a quick revision, like ratio proportion. Yes, children? I
Yes.
think that Nishika had given some topics. That time only we revised, no? A quick revision was given on mensuration, ratio, proportion, and algebra. So no problem, we'll do all these chapters in detail. Okay? We'll take up ratio proportion first, then we'll take a detailed revision of mensuration. Okay? Then algebra, then we have symmetry and practical geometry. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Have you made your graphs? Okay, you can note down one homework question also on bar graph. Please note down. Okay. The table below. Note down, please. The class time will be over. The table below shows the favorite fruits of students of the class. Okay, the first is fruits. And then we have number of students. Done, Shreyansh? Yes, good. Okay, great. And on every graph, you must write like this, the number. Okay? Yes. See how Neha has written? Okay, like this on top, you must write like this. Okay? As I have also written the numbers here. Okay? Because when the teacher checks your graph, it becomes easier for the teacher to check. Okay? Good, Neha. Very nice. And please write your scale on top, like 1 unit.
Yes, ma'am.
On your y-axis is equal to so much, x-axis is equal to this. Please write the unit on one right corner. Until you write the scale on top, your graph is incomplete. Okay? Yes, good beta. Right, for x-axis also you must write, and for y-axis also you must write. What have you taken on x-axis and how much you have taken?
Okay, ma'am.
then we have grapes, then we have banana. Okay. So this is apples are 20. Children like apple, 45 like mango, 15 like oranges, 10 like papaya, 20 like grapes, 30 like bananas. Okay. Yes, Shriyansh, now it's good. Yes, you have written the scale also. Very good. Okay, please note down this homework question. Okay, then your class is over. Okay, you must practice one more graph question and do this on your graph paper. So you have to make bar graph on this. Make a bar graph. Do it on graph paper. Always make graphs on graph paper. That gives you your exact values. And you have your Sunday test also live. Okay, right? Your Sunday test is on decimals today. Okay, done. Noted the question.
That's my
Done.
yes.
Shansh. Okay, Neha, done.
Ma'am.
Okay. So, okay, children, do this for homework, okay? And do it on a graph paper nicely, neatly. Okay. Thank you. And do your Sunday test also. Okay, Vichi, bye bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.